The last time we saw the Wrangler pickup undergoing testing, it was sporting a strange pre-production bed that looked as though it had been pulled off Ram 1500. It seems development has progressed since then, because, despite the heavy camouflage, the Wrangler in these spy photos is definitely carrying a production-ready bed. Unlike the earlier test bed, this bed has sides that are the same width as the cab, and the top of the bed matches up with the body line on the cab. The bed is properly boxy and straight-edged like a Wrangler, too. It looks quite good, and actually very similar to the custom F Brute. However, unlike the Brute, the traditional plastic wheel arch flares seen below the camo extend farther forward, and the angle of the flares' forward edges match those of the rear doors. The rest of the truck is rather well covered, so there aren't many more details to glean from the photos. There is a very large rear window, which should be good for visibility. Even though the roof is covered, we expect a removable roof of some sort is hiding underneath, since the previous prototype had removable panels like those on the current Wrangler Unlimited. We also expect a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a naturally aspirated V6 to be offered as engines on this and other new Wranglers, as well as the possibility of a diesel of some sort. As for when we'll see the Wrangler pickup, we would expect to reveal in early to mid-2019, with trucks appearing on lots in very late 2019 or early 2020. This is based on a report from the Detroit News that says production will begin in 2019,